If your UI looks like this, when you resize it, it's not your art, it's Unity. And you can fix it in about 30 seconds using something called 9-slice. After this video, your UI panels will scale perfectly no matter the size. I quickly make a tiny test panel so you understand what's happening. You don't have to be good at pixel art, simpler is better. So I'll create a 16 by 16 sprite in a sprite. Then I'm gonna select this fill tool and make a black box. I'm gonna add a 1 pixel white border on every side. We go for a rounded corner look. And that's it. Now you export to a PNG. And you'll export it. Alright, I'm here in a new Unity project and I've already imported my sprite. So for pixel art, import settings matter or the UI will look blurry. So select your UI and go to filter mode. Now select point no filter. This is always important for any pixel art. Then go to compression and set this to none. This will prevent any artifacts to be shown. So for my sprite, I'll choose single and set it to 16 pixels per unit. This only will tell Unity how big the sprite actually looks. And lastly, you have to press on apply to save all the settings. Now your sprite is correctly imported to Unity. So now let's go ahead and make the actual 9-slice setup. To do that, we have to open the sprite editor. And here is where the magic actually happens. And these green dots you can drag around, right? These are to indicate the borders. Go ahead and do that for every edge. You can also type it in on this window right here. For me, it's 1 pixel on each. So with this, we already created the 9-slice setup. As you can see, we have 1 slice for each corner, 1 slice for each edge, and 1 slice in the middle. This tells Unity that we never stretch the corners and only stretch the edges in one direction. And also the middle slice will be stretchable in any direction. And this is already all the setup that you need. Now press on apply. With everything set up, let's go ahead and make a UI object. Right click on your scene and create a UI panel. Now the important part is that the image type is selected as sliced. Otherwise this thing wouldn't work. Go ahead and drag your UI sprites into the source image. I'm gonna make this non-transparent. And everything already works. If you don't select image type sliced, it would look like this. Everything stretches weirdly. So select sliced. Now if I change the size of the UI object, everything stretches correctly. And this is how any professional UI would look like. So that's basically it. Once you know all of this, you'll never make ugly UI again.